So we have a very special guest with us, and his name is Mrityunjay. He's a hotelier, busy hotelier, and he's a silver member. And thank you so much, Mrityunjay, for coming here, for sharing your experience with Go Nature and your experience with silver membership. So over to you. How has been your journey? What benefits? I think I was informed that you came out of your diabetes. So please, can you elaborate on that? Thank you.
First of all, I'm thankful to you for bringing in such a big room, giving a platform to speak about. And thanks to all the people who are in the journey of Go Nature. You all are champions. And you are already sitting with a champion, a coach, a mentor who is an implementer as well. One day I said to my wife, like, I'm having some problem. I don't know what, my body was sending some signals to me. And then my wife took me to Paras Hospital. And to my surprise, everything was normal, but I got diagnosed with diabetes in the year 2014. And this was a surprise to me. And when I got my report, and I was driving back, and I was totally like, lost. I can't see the signal. I can't see the people next to me who are driving and all. How come this came to me? I was questioning myself. And for 1 week, I couldn't able to tell my family that I have been. Because my father expired in 99 when I was working with Obra because of diabetes. So having one kid, now I'm having two kids, and just thinking what I have done, where I went wrong. But things, because galti to maine nahi kari thi, mujhe pata hai. Nobody else do job for you. You are responsible for yourself. So I was 100% responsible. And life was okay. Kabhi gym jana, kabhi nahi jana, kabhi diet weight control karna, kabhi nahi ho nahi pa raha tha. It was not like I was bounded to do. हो ही नहीं पा रहा था, डिसिप्लिन ही नहीं थी लाइफ में. So I met this gentleman who is just next to me, Vishal Saini ji, through a channel, and I'm really grateful for that day. And I started following because मुझे लगा कि this gentleman is going to do something for me. I got that vibration from him, right? And I started following his 11 rules, 1 hour sun, and till date I have all the journals what he has given, And then I started following his breathing exercise, power breathing, in the year 2020. So even during the COVID, at 98%, I was following Vishal. I was following the things. I was telling my wife I'll not go hospital because I don't think I'll come back on. I went to the hospital. I was in the hospital for almost 15 days. And but best part is that I consulted on a message with Vishal, and Vishal said nothing will happen. Just have faith and keep going. Whatever you can do, bits and pieces mein karte raho. I said done. Till date, I'm practicing what Vishal has told me, and I follow his plan, like breathing exercise, MRP. Yes, for last 2 months, I'm absolutely out of milk. No, packed food or something. And I am from a hospitality industry. I have my small resort and a restaurant in Goa. I'm surrounded with all junks. I'm surrounded with all the best of the best alcohol in my bar. But I don't know, some energy I have got from Vishal, and I've been able to do this. I don't say credit goes to me. It's the community I'm sitting with at the moment, and maybe the vibration around me. Even the surroundings I'm having, my chef partner and all, they keep forcing, have burger, have this, but somehow the energy is there. Because you know what, easy काम तो बहुत easy से कर लेते हो, जो tough काम होता है उसके लिए आपको sacrifice करना पड़ता है. So I always remember, water boils at 100 degree, not 99 degree. So if you have to be perfect, if you have to really get the result, you have to be 100%, even not 99%. Nobody will take it.
True. Amazing.
अभी विशाल जी बता रहे थे गोवा में foreigners comes to take sun bath and all. Yes, I'm in Goa for almost 2 years now. I go, मेरे colleagues बोलते हैं यार ये हो जाएगा. मैं कोई क्रीम भी नहीं लगाता हूँ as per naturopath. और लोग कहते हैं sun bath को ठीक है हो जाएगा. I have a bigger face. I don't mind that. But being with nature, or every day I do walk. 1 घंटा आधा घंटा मैं कोशिश करता हूँ sun में रहूँ. अभी इतना मानसून था, possible नहीं था. But at least mother earth के साथ barefoot walk karna, that is talking to nature, talking to my body cells and all. I keep doing this, and this is giving me a result. So it is not my day today, trust me on that. Vishal has got me on the platform. The people who are seeing this, please believe this gentleman. Whatever he's saying, I'm believing, and trust and believe आपको result देती है. So if you respect this show, if you respect this channel, Go Nature में आपने 1 रुपया खर्च किया नहीं किया, doesn't matter. But जो बता रहे हैं भाई साहब, उनको अगर करते हो, मेरे को फर्क पड़ा है. I have lost 8 kgs in 3 months. मेरे सारे कपड़े छोटे हो गए, मैं नए कपड़े ले रहा हूँ अभी यहाँ पे. My goggles has gone, like जो मैं पहनता हूँ, because मेरा चेहरा shrink हो गया है and लोग कहते हैं कमजोर हो रहा हूँ, but this is what I'm loving. This is what I wanted for 10 years. So thanks to Go Nature and Vishal and all the coaches here. And ये तो अभी शुरुआत है. And thank you, Vishal. You have done wonderful.
Amazing. How many of you think this was mind-blowing? Just type MB in the chat box, right? See the journey, coming right from the heart. That's how it is. So, Mrityunjay, thank you so much for sharing. More power to you. Long way to go. And let's meet soon.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.